In this short YouTube tutorial, I will show you how you can create a multiplayer game in Civilization 7. So first of all, you want to click on multiplayer, press left on the internet button, and then you have this browse internet games menu. Right here, you can just join any game you want like to join if they are open. And down here, you have to click if you want to create a custom game. So press this button. Then we have this option down here. So rule set is set to standard. On default, right now we don't have any other rule set. Age is the default one, antiquity, and down here you can type in your game name. Then we have the option to select the private game, and if you can kick players by voting them out of the game. Then we have the turn timer. So on default we have none. Difficulty is governor. On default, just select one of those two if you are a little bit advanced. Game speed is on default on quick. I used to play on online. Otherwise the game is taking a lot of time. So choose between these two options. Standard is really long. And right here you have to spend several hours, days, however. Let's continue with map type. Down here we can select the maps, which is pretty bad because you don't have any preview of the map. So we can select continents, we can select every map, but we don't see how this map looks like. Down here, map size is on default small. I prefer to play on tiny. Otherwise, the map is really big. The game lasts longer, and I prefer to play short matches and not so long games. So no age transition is turned off. So we have those transitions. Mementos is turned on default. Age length is on standard on default, and you can choose between two other options. Disaster intensity is on light. So if there is a tsunami, a volcano, for example, this option decides how strong this one impacts your city, your game. Then what we have to do down here, we have to click on host lobby, and right here we can select our civ. So this process takes a little bit. Right here we can select our civ, the leader. We can invite friends by pressing this button on the top right, and then we have the friend list right here. And you can also join by showing this code, sending this code to your friends, and then they can just press join by code and type in this one. Right here you can select open slot, close slot, and yeah. So right here a player can join. Then we have this option to take our civ right here and the leader on the right side. And if you want to start the game, you just have to press right here or on the bottom on ready. On the left side, you even have a small chat. You can only chat to the whole lobby, and then we can press start and the game will start in 10 seconds. Click on this video right now if you don't want to miss the best options to turn on and turn off in Civilization 7.